You can easily describe a circle with radius r and a center AB with the equation given in standard form. So let me take an example. Let's say we have x minus 6, y minus 4 equal 9. So we're going to take what's in the bracket and set that equal to 0. X minus 6 equals 0. Therefore x is equal positive 6. Y minus 4 equals 0. Therefore y is equal positive 4. Now we have our coordinates 6, 4, and the radius is just the square root of 9, which is 3. Now the problem we have is sometimes you will be given an equation of a circle that doesn't look much like the standard form. Hence the example we have here: x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y minus 6 equals 0. So our task is to transform this equation into this form so that it will be easy for us to identify its coordinate and the radius. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is group all the x's together and group all the y's together, and then move the constant to the other side of the equation. Then we apply a method called completing the squares. So let's go ahead and do that. X squared plus 2x. Now I'm gonna add a box squared. So all I'm doing is just grouping all the y's together and all the x's together, and then adding a box squared, and all of that is equal. We move the constant, the negative 6 become positive 6. Right, so this is an equation. Whatever you do on one side of the equation, you have to do it on the other side to keep the equation balanced. We added a box square and another box square on the left side, so we're gonna add those two boxes squared on the other side of the equation. So we have x squared plus 2x. We add in a box squared, y squared minus 6y, add in a box squared. All of that is equal to 6, and then we add a box squared. Okay, so now what goes in the box squares? Half the coefficient of the middle term. We have 2x, half of 2 is 1, so we're gonna put 1 here. Negative 6, half of that is negative 3, so we added 1 square there, and then negative 3 squared, so we're gonna add them over here as well. 1 squared and negative 3 squared. Now we are ready to factor, so we're gonna bring this x and then bring whatever is in that box square, which is positive 1 in this case. All quantity squared. We bring the y down, and whatever is in that box square, which is negative 3, all of that squared is equal 6, plus 1 square is just 1 squared, it's just 1 rather. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. Now this will add up to 16. Now we have x plus 1, all quantity squared, y minus 3 squared equal 16. Now would you look at that? We have transformed this into the standard form. Now what we need to do, take what in the bracket, set that equal to 0, x plus 1 equals 0, therefore x equal -1, y minus 3 equals 0, therefore y equal +3. Now we have our coordinates -1, 3, and the radius r is just the square root of 16, which is 4. So there you have it.